Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to prevent comments on your Pinterest pins. If you're looking to streamline your Pinterest experience by disabling comments, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the bottom navigation bar. You'll want to tap on Saved. This will take you to your profile area, where all your boards and pins live. Next, tap on your profile icon to access your settings. Once you're on your profile, you need to find the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, you're looking for a section called Social Permissions. This is where Pinterest allows you to control who can interact with your pins and how they can do it. In the Social Permissions area, scroll down until you see the Comments section. Here you'll find the option labeled Allow Comments on Your Pins. To prevent comments, simply tap the toggle switch next to this option to turn it off. When the toggle is off, it means that comments are disabled on your pins. Remember to save your changes. After you've disabled the Allow Comments on Your Pins option, make sure you click on Save to apply the changes. This ensures that your new settings are saved and comments will no longer be allowed on your pins. Disabling comments on Pinterest can be super useful if you want a quieter, more focused experience, or if you're simply looking to reduce unwanted interactions. Whether you're a casual user or a content creator, knowing how to manage comments can help you curate your online presence more effectively. If you change your mind and decide you want to allow comments again, just follow these steps and toggle the Allow Comments on Your Pins option back on. It's that simple. Keep in mind that some users have reported glitches where Pinterest automatically turns comments off, regardless of their settings. If you encounter this, you may need to repeat the steps to ensure comments stay disabled, or await a fix from Pinterest. That wraps up our quick guide on how to prevent comments on your Pinterest pins. I hope you found this helpful. Now you can enjoy a more tailored Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.